everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy detox juice recipe that is going to leave you feeling healthy and perfect. So I'm going to be making a green smoothie and I'm going to be using cucumbers, apples, spinach, lemon and ginger, and it's going to be very nice. Cucumbers contain 96% water, hence they're a good source of water in your diet. I love adding cucumbers to all my dishes because they're very refreshing and crisp. Apples are high in fiber and help in weight loss and also help in lowering blood sugar levels in our body, so they are very good for our diet, our daily diets. Adding spinach to our detox juice is going to have a lot of benefits because they're rich in proteins, iron, vitamins and minerals, and also spinach contain antioxidants which lowers the glucose level, helps increase insulin in our body, so they are so perfect for people with diabetes. Spinach also lower blood pressure in our body, have a lot of fiber and water, hence they are very perfect for your gut health. Ginger has a lot of benefits in our body. It helps improve immunity in our body, aids in weight loss, relieves nausea or any upset stomach. So this is a 1-inch piece of ginger. If you like, you can add more. Lemons are perfect for your body because they contain vitamin C, fiber, and also aid in weight loss. Not forgetting, you'll have a very healthy digestive tract. My juice is ready, so I'm going to be serving myself some in a mason jar. The good thing about using a mason jar is the juice, you can take the juice as you go to work here. And then I'm going to have a sip. So good. I love that the apples have added sweetness to my green juice, and actually you can't taste the spinach, they are so mild. So I hope you get inspired to try out this detox recipe, help lose a couple of pounds or kgs, and also it's going to help you get healthy.